Hello guys, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Home. In previous videos, we had a close look at K9 Kaadas door lock, and you saw how this door lock works. In case of forgetting master pin code, I'll show you how you can reset this model to factory setting. By doing factory reset, all entered data such as pin codes, fingerprints, cards will be cleared. In order to do the factory reset of this model, the battery cover must be removed. Here there is a hole. In the hole, there is the reset button. Using a sharp device, pressing the reset button and holding it for 5 seconds, the lock is reset to factory default. The lock itself said that the lock is reset to factory setting. The first step is changing the master pin code. By default, master pin code is 128. In order to change master pin code, a star button must be pressed twice. Default master pin code must be entered. Then hash button must be pressed. As you see, it has a voice guide.
For system query, press 1. For user settings, press 1. For system settings, press 2. To set up user PIN code, press 1. To set up fingerprint, press 2. To set up access card, press 3. Please 2-digit user number, then press pound key. Swipe your access card to return to the enrollment succeeded. Please 2-digit user number, then press 2 for exit master mode.
I easily added the card.
Verification succeeded.
You can easily add pin codes, fingerprint, and cards. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments.
Door closed.
Bye bye.